wouldn't be green without John Deere and their lovely equipment. So please join me in welcoming Mr. Chuck Studer, Director of Industry Relations for John Deere.
Thank you, Jennifer. And on behalf of John Deere and all our employees and our dealer organizations across the U.S., thank you for this opportunity to be part of the Vehicle Showcase this year. It's been a number of years since we've been here, and it's good to be back. But perhaps an additional thank you, I want to extend a thanks to the National Biodiesel Board for allowing John Deere to continue to be both a member and a sponsor. We look at that as one of the serious ways we continue to support the broader biofuels industry. So it's always great to be here. You know, John Deere certainly recognizes the importance of biofuels to our customer base, but in addition, we understand the value to society from a environmental and a health standpoint. And again, that's one of the reasons that we feel it's important to continue to support and see this industry grow. I'm sure each of you understand that John Deere designs, manufactures, and distributes a fairly comprehensive lineup of diesel engines from about 40 to 600 horsepower. And primarily those engines are used to power the John Deere branded vehicles that you see in agriculture, construction, mining, forestry, gen sets, and even marine applications around the world. But in addition to supporting those John Deere branded vehicles, we work with well over or into the hundreds of other OEMs that provide thousands of specific use applications where there's a need for consistent, high-quality diesel power. You know, one of the things we're proud of is that we were one of the first OEMs to embrace biofuels back in 2001 when we approved the use of B5 in all our diesel engines. And I'm proud to say that that support continues today, even at higher blends of biodiesel. If you look at our Tier 3 or earlier engines, those engines without a diesel particulate filter, those are approved at blends up to B100. And for our more current or higher emission standard engines, our interim Tier 4 or full Tier 4, where we have a diesel particulate filter, those are approved at levels up to B20. Thank you. I'm proud to do that. We also feel good about the fact that in support of the industry, whether it's engines manufactured in North America or across Europe, those vehicles leave the factory with a biodiesel factory fill in the fuel tank. And typically that's at a B5. There's in some limited situations that might be B2. But again, we've done that for many years, and we look forward to continue to support the industry in that small way. So this vehicle behind us, this 5055E, some of you have told me, well, that looks like a pretty big tractor. Others of you told me that's maybe a little bit small compared to my operation or the operations I'm used to. Well, regardless, this is an example of one of our PowerTech engines, again, from 40 to 600 horsepower. This tractor is typical of the use that you would see in the farms north and west of San Diego. So this is kind of the main power source for many of the farms in this area. So we're proud to be on display here today. So again, thank you for the opportunity to be here today and visit with many of you. I appreciate all of you being here in support of the biofuels industry, and I hope you have a great convention going forward. Well, thank you.